Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit the pictures that you would like to send via email on the Microsoft Outlook application, such as cropping it, rotating it, or drawing onto it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen in the email section. After selecting your contact or the person from your contacts to whom you want to forward your message and typing in your subject and text, click on the camera icon that you can find in the middle of the screen. Then if your camera is enabled, you are free to take a picture by tapping on the white icon in the middle down below, and after that, if you tap on the more button, you can see all of the options that you can do. So you can add another picture, you can also crop your picture like this, tap on confirm, you can rotate it into any directions, you can draw on it. Here you can see all of the available colors, and then feel free to draw. Tap on confirm and tap on done, and you will be able to send your message. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.